Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the HB Player application, the updated version always, on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So let's head into the video. We'll do this in 2 steps. The first step is that we're going to be allowing installation of apps from unknown sources and installation of unknown apps. We'll do that in settings using developer options. The second step is that we're going to go over to the unlinked application where we'll download and install the HB Player app, and that will be the end of this tutorial. So if you follow step by step from the beginning to the end, this should work seamlessly for you. Now for the first step, I'm navigating over to quick settings and then all settings at the top right. From there, I'm navigating down to find the system settings and I'm going down to about. So under about, I'm scrolling down and you find build OS. Now go ahead and click on this 7 times. The build number is here. You click on the build number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now you are a developer. So you have become a developer. This gives you the privileges to allow installation of apps from unknown sources or installation of unknown third-party apps. So now that you have the ability, just head over to step 2. Coming back to the app library, I'm navigating to the unlinked app. So at the unlinked app, I'm clicking on it to launch. If you don't have the app already, get the app, download it using the link in the description below. You'll find a tutorial showing you how to download the app. So use that tutorial, download the application. When you have it, click on it to launch. When you launch the application, click on the add library and add the everything library. EVERYTHING, all in capital letters, no spaces. And when that library is in, all you need to do is to navigate down that library till you find media players. Come over to this media players and you're going to be looking for the HB Player. You see it on my screen right here. Click on the HB Player app and click on install app. So if this is your first time, you find a message saying allow permissions, grant permissions, allow installation of unknown apps, unknown sources, allow installation of unknown sources or unknown apps. All of those messages mean the same thing. What you need to do there is navigate down that list, give the list a second to load up, navigate down that list and click on the unlinked app. Toggle that toggle on so that unlinked app is toggled on, giving it permission to allow it install apps from unknown sources or install unknown apps. When that is done, just click on the install button, sit down and relax. The app will be installed and you'll be able to access in your app library. So just give it a second. When it's done, head over to your app library and as you see, I have the HB Player app right there. Clicking on it launches the application and I can start using the HB Player app immediately. So that's it for this video. If you found success, let me know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button to be part of the family and I'll see you in the next video content just like this. DaveTech signing out.